Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem, amma ba'd. Honorable teachers, respected guests, and my dear friends, today as the tricolors in the sky and patriotic songs echo around us, I ask myself, what does freedom mean for a student like me? Is it just celebrating 15 August once a year? Is it saluting the flag and going home? No, my friends, true freedom begins in the classroom. True freedom is the light of knowledge that breaks the chains of ignorance. Dear brothers and sisters, this land of India, our beloved Watan, has seen great scholars, poets, scientists, and thinkers. And today, India is looking at us, the student of madrasa. When you open a book, you are not just turning a page, you are not just turning a future. When you memorize the Quran, you are not just becoming a hafiz, you are becoming a guardian of divine light. Because the freedom fighters gave us a free land, now we must give it a wise, honest, and educated generation. Let us promise today, we will not waste our time, we will respect our teachers, and we will walk in the footsteps of Imam Abu Hanifa, Maulana Qasim Nanodwi, Shah Waliullah Muhaddis Delhi, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Maulana Azad, and Dr. Kalam. Because the world doesn't need just educated people, it needs educated people with character. So my dear fellow students, raise your pens like swords. Fill your hearts with noor and walk with purpose. Because our student madrasa is not behind anyone. He is the hope of the ummah. In the end I say, आज़ादी का जश्न तभी मुकम्मल है जब हर हाथ में कलाम हो और हर दिल में रोशनी हो. वमा अलैना इल्लल बलाग. वस्सलामु अलैकुम.